Hey guys, I was looking online on how to fix the horn on a 2005 Suzuki Boulevard C90. I couldn't find anywhere where anyone said where the horn actually was, but it's right in plain sight. It's this thing right here. And so I was tapping, a mechanic told me to tap on this. Obviously I checked up in here, I took this apart, I didn't see anything inside of there that was loose or anything like that. And the wires all look good. So there are two wires on the back, they plug right in right there. And then if you can see, there's a gold set screw. I already fixed this horn. When I tapped on it, it would work. So that meant that it actually did work. But there's this little set screw here. It's like a gold color, and it's a Phillips head. So you take the horn off on the back with this bolt right here, and then I couldn't get this to move with a Phillips head, so I put some channel locks on it and just twisted it just a little bit, and now the thing works fine and I can get it inspected. Show you how that works. So it's not very loud, but it works. And now there's something out here on the horn on this bike. All right, I hope this helps you. Take it easy. Later.